We are on problem of the day 50, and here is my Presley to introduce it. Say hey.
Hey.
Say it's problem of the day 50.
50.
Say it's Presley.
Presley.
And Presley's baby.
And Presley baby.
I'm going to show him the baby. It's beautiful. And the baby's got Binky.
And Binky baby.
Binky from the baby. Tell him do your work.
Do what?
And do good.
Do good.
Tell him bye.
Bye.
I don't remember doing this one the other day, so we're going to do it today. It says the sum of 3 consecutive integers is 48. Now I'm going to start with the 48 because I always start with the total. And I know to get this total I have 3 numbers. The consecutive means they're together. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 50, 51, 52. So I have a number. And then I have this same number plus 1. And then I have this same number plus 2. And if there would have been 4 consecutive integers, my next one would have been that same number plus 3. Now I'm going to combine my like terms. N, and N is 3N. 2 plus 1 is 3, and my total is 48.
Bye.
Not yet. Subtract the 3.
Bye.
3N equals 45.
Bye.
Divide by 3.
Bye. Bye.
We're not ready to go yet. 3 goes into 4 one time with 1 left over, and into 15 5 times. So my first number is 15. My second number is going to be 16, and my last number is going to be 17. And if I add those 3 together, they're going to give me 48. Bless you, baby. So I know that this is true. So the consecutive part means they're in order. The 1 and the 2 are what help me make them in order. Let's look at number 2. Estimate the nearest integer the directions for the rest. I know the square root of 60 comes right between the square root of 49 and the square root of 64. It's closer to 64, so it's about 8. The square root of 111 in number 3 is closest to the square root of 100 and the square root of 121. It's slightly closer, not yet, to 121, so it's about 11. And this is just review.
Hi, Bobby.
Number 4 is the square root of 80. It is very close to 8 times 8, which is 64, and 9 times 9, which is 81. It's closer to 81, so it's about 9. 22 is between the square root of 16 and the square root of 25. It's closer to 25, so it's about 5. Number 6 is the square root of 90. 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 10 is 100. It's slightly closer, just by 1, to 81. So it's about 9. The last one's a little tricky in 2 different ways. It has a negative sign in front of it, so my answer is still going to be negative. And it's a fraction. So I'm looking at the top and the bottom separately. For 24, it's closest to the square root of 25, which is about 5. And for 45, it is closest to the square root of 49, which is about 7. So I just do those parts separately, the numerator and the denominator. Alright. Do good in your classwork. Be good to my substitute. Keep my room clean. I will see you tomorrow.